Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Grinch cookies. These are easy Christmas cookies for the holidays. For our ingredients, we have a box of white cake mix, unsalted butter, eggs, peppermint extract, vanilla extract. We have gel, green food coloring, powdered sugar, cornstarch, and heart-shaped sprinkles, or you can use cinnamon. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You want to line a large baking pan with parchment paper and set aside. Here I'm adding my cake mix into my bowl. Now I'm adding my eggs. And then I'm adding my butter. And we're going to beat that together with my handheld mixer. And you just want to mix it until it is completely mixed. Now that it is completely mixed, we're going to add in our vanilla, our peppermint extract, and our green food coloring. And then we're going to mix that well. Here I am finished mixing it. It's a beautiful green. I love this green. You want to mix on low speed just until combined. The batter will be thick and sticky. Now I'm just scraping the sides of the bowl to make sure that I have all my mix together. Now here I'm just whisking in my powdered sugar and my cornstarch. And we're going to mix that well. We're going to use this to coat the outside of our cookies. You want to scoop your dough with a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop. And now we are dropping it in our powdered sugar mix. The cookie dough itself is sticky, so keep that in mind. Place about 1 inch apart on your prepared baking sheet. You want to bake from anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are set and the top of the cookie appears dry. Remove the cookies from the oven immediately, and you want to place your heart-shaped sprinkle on each cookie. Gently press it down so it sticks to the cookie. Cool the cookies on your baking sheet for about 5 minutes before removing to a wired rack and cool completely. If you don't have heart-shaped sprinkles, you can use cinnamon hearts. We have made Grinch cookies. I want to wish y'all a happy holidays. Don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.